Hi friends, my name is Narasimha and I'm pursuing a BTech in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College. Today, as a part of my AIT Tech Talk videos, in the subject of information security, I want to present or I want to express my knowledge in the topic name Image Technography, a review of the recent advances. It is a research topic. So first of all, what is this image technography and how it has been used in our research in a recent advances, the implementation of it. So first of all, image technography is a method used for conveying the message in a secret format. For example, in a simple way, I want to say you want to express or you want to share a message to your friend in a secret way. Means anybody in the third party or the third person should not read your message and understand your feelings which you are sharing to the receiver, your friend. So in such way, how you should get a method in a way that you should share the message, but the only receiver, I mean your friend, and you can only decode the message. Anybody, the third party cannot decode it. In that way, we will use image technography. Means and text which is being hidden in between the image, which can be understood only by the sender and the receiver. The third party cannot understand or cannot decode the message. This is the meaning of image technography. So let's see in our lecture how it is the review implementation of image technography in the recent advances. Image technography, which I said before, it is a process of hiding information which can be text, image, or video inside a cover image. Means the base which you are using for hiding of a text, image, or message is a cover image. The secret information is hidden in a way that it is not visible to the human eyes. Deep learning technology, which has emerged as a powerful tool in various applications, including image technography, has received increased attention recently. The main goal of this lecture is to explore and discuss various deep learning methods available in image technography field. Just said before, we are being using for hiding the message and sending our message from receiver, sender to the receiver without interruption of third party. So in this lecture, I want to mainly explain the deep learning methods available in image technography field. Now, deep learning techniques used for image technography can be broadly divided into three categories that are traditional methods, conventional neural network based, and general adversarial network based methods. Along with the methodologies, an elaborate summary on the dataset used, experimental setups considered, and the evaluation methods commonly used are described in this lecture. This lecture aims to help the fellow researchers by compiling the current trends, challenges, and some future direction in this field. Introduction. Information hiding techniques have been available for a long time, but their importance has been increasing recently. The main reason is the increase in the data traffic through the internet and social media networks. Though the objectives of cryptography and steganography are similar, there is a subtle difference. Cryptography makes the data unbreakable and unreadable by the cipher text is visible to the human eyes. Steganography, which is used to hide the information in plain sight, allows the use of wide variety of secret information forms like image, text, audio, video, and files. From this total PPTs or from these slides, let us think generally. First of all, what is this image technography, which I said before, hiding the information such as text, video, or audio in a cover image. So, though these hiding techniques have been available from a long time, in recent times only, the importance of these techniques have been increased very broadly. Why? Because due to increase in the data traffic of internet and social media networks. So in this heavy traffic, when we want to share an information, we may not guarantee that it will read by the only receiver. It may read by many people, and which may lead to lack of privacy of the sender and the receiver of the message. So in these situations, we are very broadly increasing our mindset to use this information hiding techniques. So there are two, cryptography and steganography. Though both are similar, means cryptography are also used for hiding information from the third party, and steganography also same advantage. But a small difference is cryptography makes the data unbreakable. The cipher text, which is prepared or converted, is unreadable to the human eyes. But in steganography, it is not created as cipher text. The plain text is only produced by the sender, but in a different format, like it is being hidden in the cover image. So this is a slight difference between the cryptography and the steganography. Now, steganography can be defined as the process of hiding and secret small multimedia data inside another, but much larger multimedia data such as image, text, file, or media. Image steganography is a technique to hide an image inside another image. So, which I said before, we can hide an image in another image also. The base is image, and you can hide any type of information in that. In image steganography, the cover image is manipulated in such a way that the hidden data is not visible, thus making it not suspicious as in the case of cryptography. This is a small image, steganography and steganalysis. So here you can see this is a text, this is an image. After combining both, we can see the stegno image. These both images are seen to be similar, but in this image, the text which is printed by the sender is hidden. So after this is steganography format, this is sender. In the receiver side, you have to decode the message. So same algorithm which is used by the sender should be used by the receiver to decode the message. So after applying the algorithm, the extracting algorithm from the stegno image, is known as stegno image, we can get the text. This is a simple way of understanding the image steganography. Once have a look. Summary of these methods. There are many methods in deep learning techniques used in image steganography field, which I said before. One see all the summary of the methods. After reviewing all the frameworks available, the methodologies are primarily grouped into three categories, namely traditional image steganography methods, CNN based image steganography methods, and GAN based image steganography methods, neural networks. Traditional methods are frameworks which use methods that are not related to machine learning or deep learning algorithms. Many traditional methods are based on the LSB technique. CNN-based methods are based on deep learning, deep convolutional neural network for amending and extracting the secret message, and GN-based methods are used some of the GN varieties. For example, let's take a real-time example. When we are recalling any message or any real-time situation in our life, we will take the help of brain. Means brain will train the data, means brain will recall the data and passes to our body. So in the brain, there are many number of neurons are interconnected. All these neurons will perform a single work to recall a small situation. In the same way, in the artificial neural network, CNR or GN, anything, this is an artificial neural network. It is a setup of neural networks and creates a model, and it will be trained in a way that it is used for the domain purpose, such as image steganography or anything like hiding the image or hiding the information and secret passing of secret information, or usage of stock market analysis, house prediction analysis, house price prediction, etc. This is an image steganography, digital linguistic, and the classifications of existing methods which are available in real time. Once have a look. There are statistical methods, quantum images, ML, machine learning methods, DL methods such as deep learning methods. We are seeing a deep learning methods like auto encoder decoder, GA. Once have a look. Now, datasets used. So for training the model, we need a dataset. So what are the datasets used in the research? There exists one dataset, BOSS base, shortly known as, that was specifically created to deal with the problems of steganography. To further evaluate the performances of the algorithm, some existing datasets which are used for other purposes, including object recognition and face recognition, are remodeled to fit for the purpose of our experiments. Some of the datasets are BOSS based, which I said before. Break, full form of this is break our steganographic system. This is the first scientific challenge conducted to take image steganography from being a research topic to a practical application. The main aim of this competition was to develop a better steganolysis method that can break the steganographic images created by the HUGO, highly undetectable stegno algorithm. Second dataset use is Celiba. Large-scale Celeb faces attributes datasets, also known as Celiba datasets in short form, is a vast dataset with more than 200K images that can be used for face recognition, face detection, face relocalization, and other face-related operations. This is an image processing technique dataset. ImageNet. ImageNet is also a very large dataset containing images from a WordNet hierarchy, with each node containing more than 500 to 1,000 images. Next, Minished handwritten digits. Modified National Institute of Standards and Technology database MNIST, shortly known as, is another dataset that can be used for various computer vision and image processing applications. MNIST handwritten dataset consists of a training and testing set with images of handwritten digits 0 to 9. Evaluation. Evaluation metrics are used to measure the invisibility, security, robustness, and the capacity of the proposed methods. The most commonly used metrics and the functionality they measure are described below. So after training the model, after giving the test data, after getting the output, we have to evaluate the model. Means we have to know whether the model is giving accurate details or not. Otherwise, we have to know how much accuracy is given by the model. So for that, we need some metrics, means some measurements. For example, we'll calculate the distance in the form of kilometers and displacement, or speed in the form of meter per second, kilometer per hour, etc. These are the metrics used for evaluation. So in this, how the deep learning techniques are being evaluated? PSNR, peak signal to noise signal, is used to determine the quality, robustness, and invisibility of the proposed steganography method. PSNR is a ratio between the maximum quality representation of the cover image and the stegno image. Another metric used is mean squared error, MSE, is another metric to measure the quality of the stegno image reconstructed. So we have to know the stegno image quality. If the quality of stegno image is very less, the hacker can easily hack the personal message, means a plain text. So the quality of stegno image is very important. MSE, mean squared error, is the cumulative squared error between the stegno image and the original cover image. For better quality images, PSNR has to be very high, whereas the value of MSE has to be low, indicating that the error is slow. The formulas for calculating MSE and PSNR are given below. MSE is equal to a formula where M and N is the number of rows and the columns in the input image respectively. Let's have a look at the formula. Let's come to the conclusion. Image steganography is a method used in transmitting secret information by hiding it in plain sight inside a cover image. Deep learning methods are widely used in every field and has been used in the research of steganography. So here we come through the what is image steganography, differences between image steganography and cryptography, advantages of deep learning methods in the image steganography, datasets used in the image steganography, and how the evaluation part is being done, and the usage of it, and this is a conclusion. Thank you, friends. I hope my lecture is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.